Did you know that a tiny vitamin can protect your DNA? Folate, also known as vitamin B9, plays a crucial role in our health. Today, we'll explore how folate aids DNA repair and why it's essential. Our DNA is like a blueprint directing how our body functions. Sometimes it gets damaged due to stress, toxins, or even UV rays. This damage can lead to serious health issues. That's where folate comes in. It helps our body repair DNA efficiently. First, let's understand what folate is. Folate is a water-soluble vitamin. It's found in leafy greens, beans, and nuts. Our bodies cannot store folate long-term, so we need it daily. Folate plays a vital role in cell division. When cells divide, they need intact DNA. Folate helps create new cells and repairs damaged ones. It's essential for replication and maintaining genetic information. Now let's look at how folate works in DNA repair. When DNA gets damaged, specific processes start. Enzymes recognize the damage and signal the need for repair. Folate assists in producing crucial compounds necessary for this repair process. Imagine your DNA as a zip file. When damaged, the zip file gets corrupted. Folate acts like the software that fixes the file, restoring it to its original state. This is essential for overall health and preventing diseases like cancer. An adequate intake of folate is critical. Most people need about 400 micrograms daily. Pregnant women require even more for fetal health. Include foods rich in folate in your diet. Spinach, lentils, and avocados are packed with this nutrient. In summary, folate is more than just a vitamin. It's a protector that helps repair DNA. Including enough folate in your diet can enhance your health significantly. Now it's time to take action. Evaluate your diet and add folate-rich foods. Subscribe for more health insights and stay informed.